Hi. Today I'm going to do a re-review unboxing of a HP Omen laptop, a 2018 model, and it's a re-unboxing because the first one I had, after 3 weeks, froze up and would not reboot. The caps lock light was flashing a code, and the tech support told me it was a memory failure. So I sent it back, and a week later they sent me a new one. So I was very impressed with the laptop until the memory failure. So we'll unbox this thing here and see how it goes. And specs on it here. Let's see, it sells for the HP website for $14.99. You know, they say it's regularly $16.99. I got it for $13.59 on Black Friday with the promotional code, but it's got the i7-8700, the GeForce 1060 6GB graphics card, the 4K panel, which is very nice, 16GB RAM, terabyte regular SATA hard drive, and a 512 gig NVMe solid state drive. And yeah, that's about all of the exciting stuff on there. It's got a G-Sync also. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, let's see what we get here. Okay, there is the packing slip, and here is the Omen box. It's a pretty nice box, even a little carrying candle if you want to carry your laptop around in it. I suppose that would work alright. Okay, we'll open this thing up here. Hopefully they didn't give me a refurbished one. We'll see. Okay, there you have it. A little flyer on the computer. A quick start guide here. Yeah, I probably threw that away. This little cardboard cover with the Omen logo on it here. Put that to the side. A little bit of paperwork. There it is. A little tab. Pull it right out of there. Power brick there. Nice looking 200 water. Box side. There it is. Nice looking unit. Memory card reader. USB 3 mic and headphone on the side. The Ethernet USB 3 HDMI display port and the Thunderbolt USB-C on the back, and another USB 3.0 on the side, along with the charging port and the hard drive indicator. Open her up here. A little protective cover there. Looks pretty good. Let's see if it's got juice in it. See if it'll boot up unlike the last one I had. Oh, maybe you need some. Plug it in here first. Like that. I bought this computer to replace my aging 2008 20-inch iMac, which has been a pretty good computer, but it can't really play any 4K videos, you know, that you make on the GoPro or even your phone. Works alright for browsing the web and basic stuff still, but it's time for an upgrade here. Okay, plugged in, power lights on. There we go. Nice RGB keyboard. Turn the lights off so you can see it better here. There we go. And you can change the colors and brightnesses on the 4 different zones. Okay, first time booting her up here.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
No, there you go.
Sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi
get her all
there,
set
and
up.
we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
See how it works.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way.
Hopefully,
and if you'd like to stay quiet,
I don't have any problems with this one. But yeah, I'll give you an update. Thanks for watching. Bye.